A sewage backup is one of the most destructive and dangerous plumbing emergencies a property owner can face. Immediate and highly specialized intervention is absolutely critical. The restoration industry classifies raw sewage as Category 3 black water. This strict designation means the water is grossly contaminated and poses an immediate threat to human health. This dark water is heavily saturated with aggressive pathogens. It carries raw bacteria, dangerous viruses, and harmful parasites that can cause severe illness upon contact or inhalation. Attempting a cleanup on your own is incredibly risky. Standard household bleach and basic rubber gloves offer virtually no protection against these concentrated, microscopic biological hazards. Proper containment is the crucial first step. Professionals erect heavy-duty physical barriers and utilize negative air pressure systems to prevent airborne contaminants from infecting the clean areas of your home. Standard wet vacuums are not enough. Industrial pumps designed specifically for hazardous biowaste are required to safely remove the raw sewage and solid matter without further contaminating the environment. Saturated porous materials must be destroyed. Items like carpet padding, drywall, and insulation cannot be effectively sanitized and must be legally removed and disposed of as hazardous waste. Once the raw waste is extracted, intense decontamination begins. Technicians aggressively scrub all remaining structural framing and hard surfaces to remove the dangerous biological film left behind. True sanitization requires advanced chemistry. Professionals apply EPA-registered biocides and hospital-grade disinfectants to permanently neutralize the remaining bacteria and eliminate the foul, lingering odors. Finally, industrial dehumidifiers and air movers are brought in to aggressively pull deep-seated moisture from the framing, completely eliminating the secondary threat of a massive mold infestation. Never risk your health handling contaminated water alone. For safe, professional sewage mitigation, trust the experts. Call us today at 619-449-9611.